Here's how to get a festive glam in just 5 minutes. Let's go. Step 1. Hydrate the skin with a moisturizer. I'm going in with my moisturizing primer by Sugar. Grab a foundation, dot on the areas of your T-zone where you need the most coverage. The idea is to blend the foundation from the center of the face to outwards. It takes less time, less product, and also makes your face look less cakey. This should be good for the base, but in case you want to spot conceal any marks or spots, go for it. Grab a light shimmer shade, dip a finger in the pan and get it on the lid. Shimmer shades always work well with fingers. Layer a quick 2 coats of high volume mascara to achieve those fluttery lashes and pull out that bright shade of lipstick to go with your look. Add some accessories and there it is, a super quick full glam.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.